Dwayne Ricardo Onfroy, grieving father of Jamaican-American rapper XXX Tentacion, breaks his silence in an impassioned plea on Facebook.
Good day. My name is Dwayne Ricardo Onfroy. My son is Jahseh Dwayne Ricardo Onfroy. Born January 23rd, 1998. Left this earth physically June 18, 2018, at 20 years old. I will mourn my child from Monday to Monday, 7 days. And after 7 days, I will forever celebrate my child's life. All he accomplished, everything and everyone that he touched. I thank you all for your prayers and your well wishes. If you will join me in mourning him for the first 7 days.
Why don't you love
Worst
me?
thing comes to worst, I die a tragic death or some shit, and I'm not able to see out my dreams. I at least want to know that the kids perceived my message and were able to make something of themselves and able to take my message and use it and turn it into something positive, and to at least have a good life. I at least, if I'm gonna die or ever be a sacrifice, I want to make sure that my life made at least 5 million kids happy, or they found some sort of answers or resolve in my life, regardless of the negative around my name, regardless of the bad things people say to me. I don't because I know my goal in the end, and I know what I want for everyone, and I know what my message is. So I just wanted to say I appreciate and love all of you, and I believe in you all. Do not let your depression make you. Do not let your body define your soul. Let your soul define your body. Your mind is limitless. You are worth more than you could believe. All you have to do is dream. All you have to do is want to fulfill that dream and have the strength.